Every doomer on YouTube says that Airbnb is dead. I've been at this for a while, 5 years now, as a Superhost with 7 Airbnbs, each one of them here in Aggieland. And I have 12 months of side-by-side data from one of my fourplexes that proves that the doomers are wrong. But here's the thing, they are right about one thing. It is harder, and as a result, revenue is down. And Airbnb as a company will side with the guest over the host 90% of the time. So in this video, I'm not giving you some guru BS. I'm gonna share with you actual numbers from my fourplex. 2 long-term rentals, 2 short-term rentals, and the 3 reasons why I'm not gonna kill my Airbnb business anytime soon. Hey, and by the way, if you're an out-of-town investor or an Aggie parent who's thinking about getting an Airbnb near campus, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because this channel is all about Bryan and College Station, real estate numbers, and growing your wealth. And if you wanna talk through your specific situation, just shoot me an email. Send it to info@schwartzrealtygroup.com and just make the subject line Airbnb. I'll personally respond to every single one. Let's look at the P&L for one building in the exact same market. In fact, it's the same layout, comparing my long-term rental to my Airbnb. So the Airbnb gross income, $19,962, significantly more than my long-term rental average, $12,058. When it comes to expenses, as you can imagine, Airbnbs are more expensive, $13,813 compared to my long-term rentals at $10,595. A big portion of those expenses were from 2 turns I had on those units. What we all want to know is cash flow. Well, the Airbnb on average cash flowed $6,148 in that 1 year. The long-term rentals, $1,462. So the Airbnb in total made $4,685 more in 1 year. That's more, that's addition. That's 4.2 times the amount of my long-term rental. But here's the reality check. That's only $300 a month in additional profit. We're not talking about $2,000, which is what I see a lot of gurus promise online, but it's still real money. The reason that this works here in College Station is because, of course, we have Texas A&M. A&M has a budget annually of $7 billion. And of course, it has a stadium that, when filled up, can seat 102,000 raving fans. Even though my revenue was down across my portfolio by 8.6% in 2025, which was a $10,000 hit to my bottom line, I'm not panicking. January through April 2026 is trending another 9% down. But we have some great events this year. Banana Ball is coming to town. Argentina soccer match at Kyle Field. And of course, we have the home game against UT this year, which will surely make me a couple $1,000s in a single weekend. Here's the thing you gotta know. Airbnb does not have your back as a host. They will deny damage charges, they'll allow lying reviews, and they'll override your refund policies all the time. And it's not getting any better. It's getting worse. You're not the customer, the guest is. You can try to go off platform, but building that traffic yourself is way harder than just playing their game. So here are the 3 reasons why I'm staying put as an Airbnb host. 1, regulatory stability. Bryan and College Station has no regulations on short-term rentals, no permit lotteries or 90-day caps like you see in Austin or Nashville. Number 2, it's worth the fight. Despite the headaches and demanding guests, the income is still there. My Airbnb units still outperform my long-term rentals by over 4x. That's a lot of cash flow. And 3, the long-term rental foundation. Every one of my investments works as a long-term rental. So if STR goes to hell tomorrow, I sell the furniture and rent it out long-term. I still cash flow. If your property only works as an Airbnb, that's a bet. That's a gamble. That's not an investment. Airbnb isn't dead. It's just harder. But if you buy it right and you manage it tight, the numbers still work. It's still profitable. If you want help with running the math, either as a long-term rental or a short-term rental, shoot me that email. Again, that's info@schwartzrealtygroup.com. Send me the words Airbnb. In the meantime, you should check out this video right here.